It is really mind-boggling how corporates are dealing with this AI wave that we've been through for 2 years. They're focusing on the safety, asking their employees to be very careful, which is good. But at the same time, I think they are missing out. Late last year, we got from Anthropic the Model Context Protocol. And if you didn't hear about it, well, here's a diagram that actually explains it. The easiest way to explain it is it's an interface between any agent or large language model and an application or a toolset or a database. And it's a single communication protocol that is hosted on what is called an MCP server. The easiest way to put it, it's like the USB-C of AI and agents. Today, if you want to deploy an agent or an application that has access to tools, you'll have to define all those API calls, schemas, for that agent or large language model to be able to utilize them and actually make function calls. But the problem is, this makes it much more complex than necessary, stalls things, and probably prevents so many people from having access to the technology. Now, with the Model Context Protocol, it is much easier. Just by the host or the application that you're running or the automation or whatever you're doing, having access to multiple clients. Each client is actually connected to an MCP server, and that server has all of the accessibility and the coding of the schemas, API calls for certain set of tools or databases or whatever. And in such structure, the agent or the large language model can know how to use the tools and the tools available for it without actually having the code on the host side. And you can't imagine how revolutionary this is. I already see people doing amazing things with it. Today, the only thing you need to do, hypothetically, is define the agent, things that it needs to do, connect it to those MCP clients, and it will have the knowledge on what it has access to, how to use it, when to use it, and with a simple prompting from your side. Now, going back to our friends in the corporate world, today, rather than saying to people, be careful with AI, I think their IT departments should be looking closely at those MCP servers. Because yes, AI did democratize access to coding and developing and information for the masses. But now for corporates, they can actually do that democratization through the MCP protocol to their own people, to their own existing set of tools and databases in a way that keeps the integrity of those locations of information. So security concerns are there, but they can deal with it much better and balance having that protection of the information, but at the same time, giving their non-coding functional people the ability to develop fit-for-purpose applications that serve them based on the infrastructure of that corporate.